Reading for June the 21st to June the 22nd, Gemini. Your cards are the Three of Charisma, the Nine of Wisdom, and the Four of Intelligence. Medyo, sabihin natin nag-iisip si person, no? Paano niya ibibigay sa'yo kung ano yung mga gusto mo, yung commitment. Pero kasi, sabihin natin medyo late, no? Kasi meron ditong Three of Charisma. Medyo nagmuni-muni or nag-antay si person. Pero pag binigay naman niya ito, no, kunyari meron kang wish or meron kang request, parang consistent, no? At saka pang mga tagalan. Especially kung ang inaantay mo is yung commitment, no, dito kay person. Or pwede natin sabihin yung pakikipagbate, paghingi ng tawad. So itong pagbabalikan na ito, kung meron ng kayong challenges, I'm seeing matagal nyong mapapakinabangan, no? With the 10 of Charisma and the 7 of Strength, medyo naghahanda na si person para i-offer sa iyo kung ano man itong request mo or kung anong gusto mo. And I think that your person is also ready. Now, so this is your quick reading for June the 21st to June the 22nd.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.